Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Infinix Smart 6 HD. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Next is to search for an app, and here we want to find Firefox. Now select it, install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here we can start customization, so you can pick a theme, toolbar placement, always on privacy settings, synchronize Firefox between other devices by signing up, and read the privacy notice. After everything is done, click on Start Browsing. And now let's just open any website. You can also set up this as a default browser right here. And it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.